When I was 4 years old, I was diagnosed with arthritis.
I have an artificial heart valve.
I had no idea how I got cervical cancer.
Alzheimer's is a very cruel illness.
The first thought that came into my mind was, I'm going to die.
What bothered me about the disease was the pain and the fever. The fever bothered me.
Who knows what my life would have been like had the HPV been diagnosed.
It not only affects the patient, it affects the people who care for them.
You don't know how to cope with this thing that's extremely threatening, and you don't know what's going to happen to you.
Once I started taking the drug, I felt I could walk and play with my friends again.
You can make your life a whole lot simpler with coagulation self-monitoring.
Roche must continue what they're doing because there are a lot of people who want to think clearly and coherently again.
We're not done yet. There is still unmet need out there. Science requires a commitment and a follow-through. We have to not just improve patients' lives, we hope to cure patients.
Roche is in a fantastic position because we have the pharma side as well as the professional diagnostics side. And next is identifying the therapy as well as the biomarkers so that we can be sure that that therapy is actually going to be effective and work for a patient. Essentially, the reason we need personalized healthcare is the fact that not everybody's the same. Everybody reacts differently.
So one pill fits all, it doesn't happen. You need the test to tell you personally whether or not you are going to respond to that therapy. Every time you start treating a patient, it always starts with a diagnostic. You know, the doctor or the nurse, they can't do anything until they run some test. So that's what diagnostic is. This is why I'm in this field, because I want the patients to be treated correctly.
And that needs to be everyone. Access to healthcare is important because it gives you the utility, it gives you the end product, and it gives you the benefit to the place where it's needed most, which is with the patient. Everyone that can benefit from that technology needs to be able to get that technology.
We can literally save millions of lives and improve the quality of life of millions of patients and their families. It's important that we continue on this path, because lasting innovation is our biggest gift to society.
That's one of the things I tell people about why I'm still so excited to be here, because I really want to be a part of making a difference in the world. And I'm at a company that allows people and even encourages people to come up with new ideas, share those ideas with their colleagues, start conversations, and I think that's huge.
You feel you're part of something bigger. In everything you do, you will find the three values: integrity, courage and passion. The Roche values ties the people together and gives us a common driver to say we are doing all this to improve patients' lives. It's not just a job where you work every day. It's a responsibility, a big one.